on some quest where I burn a bunch of gnomes with an Eli Musk flamethrower.
3, 2, 1.
A bunch of hots?
Oh.
Gastrix. Gastrix.
3, 2, 1.
Funny.
Spread.
Oh, I thought you were going the other way!
Doesn't matter.
What are you doing?
Who cares? Push boss.
Funny.
Tonic.
Spread.
Fun.
Next one's in.
Funny.
Next one's gate.
Tonic next.
Okay.
Spread.
Tank's dead, brother.
Guidance coming up here soon.
Tonic.
Keep pushing.
Real
Funny.
Stay in the middle. Actually, Gary's run.
Tonic.
Don't stop.
Funny.
For 20 boys. Oh, I guess I should get these.
See brainless on the meters.
What?
No.
I'm
I know
gonna
he goes
show
to
8.
stop. Ooh.
Feels.
What do you guys? How many do you show your DPS meter?
Actually, I have 8.
I showed
Only up
7
to
plus
9.
myself.
I show all 20. I show all the healing, and I
I'm
show
gonna turn
all
it
the
up to
damage.
11.
Like half of my screen is a meter.
I don't have ton showing.
Alright, let's fucking kill this. What do you guys say?
Is he bugged, right? You haven't even been here for all this.
I know, that's the best part of this. Let's fucking kill it.
Loot
He was just sitting there chilling on my screen the entire time.
Yeah, it
You guys can
happens.
hear me, right?
Yeah, we can hear
I might need the
Unfortunately.
res.
Try.
you. Nani?
I'm good.
Shaw, be careful.
Savage, he's up.
Careful, Shed.
He's gonna taunt when he interrupts, I assume.
Yeah.
Always do.
On the ones that spawn. Move. And spread.
Dying on the neck.
10%.
Sorry, Shed.
Move.
You going?
Where's the sword? Oh. Okay.
Brute Wicked.
Go, like, go, go, go.
Personnel.
Feels like too bad.
I got the tube of the tree.
Dying next.
Slightly late because I'm so far away.
Don't run out yet. Move. Move.
Spread.
We're gonna have to reel this next one up in there.
God, let
Between.
me through, please.
Hang on a second.
And move.
Oh, bad idea. Oh, good.
Okay, get to bait the orb.
One coming in. Wait. There
I
you go.
got the two back here.
I'm dying on this one.
This one's targeting
one
a
more.
melee.
Can't get that one.
Yeah, they're both on melee.
It's still following me.
We
Shed. I got it.
gotta
I got it.
go
I got
hard
it. I got it.
Kill the
Go
sword.
fast.
We're gonna stay here and heal. Move out. One.
I'm by the tree. Good.
Dying to this next one's death.
Okay, make our way behind now. And be in between.
Dying here.
You need paints up again here. 50.
Move. Get ready to stack. Stack. Go.
Moving.
Rune.
Two orbs going. I don't know who these are going to.
I soaked one.
I got him.
South up.
Dying next. I'm dying next.
I got
I'll
you.
res him.
Okay, cool.
I have all the orbs.
Get ready to spread.
Check your flask.
Spread.
Rory.
Debuffs, immunities, baiting in.
Doesn't
You're losing
make-
this one. And you're
Second
dying to
potion.
next. You're
Die on
dying
the
to this
next.
one.
Potion.
Yep.
I need room. If you can.
This one on me. I can't dodge it.
Good.
Move. Move now.
Barrier here.
Need DPS.
Want a backup Ganta?
Second prod if you
Zach,
didn't.
Taryn, give me Zach.
Sorry, I didn't know if you were.
No, I just didn't want you to get glued.
This was
Lust.
Oh, health some the Sorcerer Rage, please.
You gave reses on both of them.
Isaac,
Use V if you haven't yet.
Get ready to spread. Ready to spread. We're doing spread,
have-
bait, spread, bait, spread, bait it. Bait it
Do
out.
we have reses or no?
Res on
Quiet,
no orb.
just please don't talk.
Okay, I got Wicked.
I got
Don't
spatula.
touch the orb. Don't touch the orb.
Kill this, please, boys.
It's fucking dead.
Oh my god!
Let's go! I'm done! Can I quit?
We're done. It's over. It's done. We're good.
Uninstall, man. Let's fucking go.
Okay, we suck dick. Let's